Hello and good day, grade 3 and grade 4 students. So, how are you today? So, I hope you're doing fine, great, and good. So, today we will have our new lesson all about weather, okay? So, weather, because last time we finished our antonyms, okay? So, we learned about antonyms. So, we finish it. So, right now we will move to the lesson about weather, okay? So, weather. So when we say weather, of course, this is important. Why? Because we experience this one every time, okay? The weather, the climate change, okay? So the changes of weather. So we experience this one, so we must to learn this one in English, okay? So that when you're expressing something about the weather, you can express it. You know it, okay? So first, we need to know what is weather, okay? So what is weather? So here, it is the state of the atmosphere at a place and time as regards to heat, cold. Okay, so when we say heat, this one. Okay, cold, of course, this one here. Dryness, this one. So without any moist or without any water. Okay, sunshine. Okay, so that is the normal. Okay, temperature, normal experience. Okay, in when we're encountering in the weather. Okay, so sunshine, it's like in the morning. Okay, so it's like a sunrise. Okay, next is wind. Okay, wind. So we experience this one right now. The weather is become windy. Okay, so this is the picture. Okay, so you must to so that you know. Okay, so here is the heat, cold, dryness, okay, sunshine, okay, wind, this one here, and etc. Okay, so when we say etc., other. Okay, so others. Okay, other weather. Okay, so it is the state. So when we say state, okay, that is the condition. Okay, state of the atmosphere. So what is the atmosphere, teacher? So that is the surroundings. Okay, at the place. Okay, and time. So area and the time. Okay, on hour or minutes. Okay, depends. Sometimes in the morning it's so we say sunshine. Okay, sometimes in the afternoon it's so the heat is so hot. Okay, the heat from the sunshine or sun is so hot. Okay, and sometimes in around evening it's windy or sometimes it's cool. Okay, so that is why we must to know the time. Okay, the weather. Okay, so it depend on the time too. Okay, sometimes the weather depend on the time, depend on the months. Okay, so let's start vocabulary and picture. So this is the again, so I always tell you the vocabulary is the one you can read, the text that you can read. Okay, and the picture, that is the one, the images that you can see. Okay, so let's start here. Okay, cloudy. Okay, cloudy. So this is what cloudy looks like. So when we say cloudy, almost of the sky, okay, or 70% or 80% of the sky is covered up with the clouds. Okay, so that's why we call it cloudy. So normally you can find this one in the mountain, okay, surroundings, or in the beach or sea. Okay, so cloudy. You see, this is a sea under here. Okay, next is rainy. So when we say rainy, of course, that is the time there is some small teardrops from the sky falling down into the ground, and you need to have an umbrella and your raincoat in order for you to protect from this rain or wet. Okay, water. Okay, so water. So don't forget that is rain. Okay, rainy. Next, we have sunny. So when the sunny, okay, so that is the normal temperature, okay, sunny, okay. So we always encounter this one, especially we're in Thailand, okay. So sunny, okay, that is the time there is a sun, okay. Sometimes here you see, okay, it's have some light, okay, sunlight, okay. So that is the time that is sunny, okay. So when there is too much sun, of course, it's too hot, also, so hot, okay. So the temperature rising up, okay. So rising up, so the temperature, you see, it's hot. Okay, so next we have the windy. Okay, so windy here, you see. So it's have an air, okay, on the atmosphere or surroundings, you see. It can moves the leaf, the trees, and sometimes you can feel it has a big waves. That is the time it's windy. Okay, next is snowy. Okay, snowy, of course, that is the time the rain um, it's formed by an ice. Okay, small particles of an ice, soft particles of an ice. So that is the snow. Okay, so it's white, so you can build a snowman here. Okay, because it's snowy. Okay, so when snowy, of course, the temperature is cool, so the temperature is low. Okay, you see it's almost zero. Okay, so it's really cold. Okay, so when it's cold, of course, you need to wear jackets, you need to wear your boots, you need to use your heater. Okay, in order for you to feel hot, okay, that is cold, okay, so you can feel it, okay, even in a windy season you can feel the cold, not only from the snowy, okay, weather. Okay, next is stormy. So the stormy weather class is that is the time it mix, okay, mix with the thunder, lightning, this lightning here. Don't forget sometimes other call this thunder, so it's not, it's lightning. And then the thunder, that is the time you heard some noise, okay, like that, okay. And it has a wind, okay, strong wind, waves and raining. So it's almost complete, okay, it's mixed weather, okay. That is the stormy. So this time you need to prepare some emergency kit food, okay, for you, because if there is a declaration that there is a storm, so you must really prepared. Okay, next, warm. Okay, so this is the normal temperature. You see, it's not too hot, it's not too cold. Okay, you're in the normal temperature, that is warm temperature, which is need of our body, especially when we are living here in the Asia. Okay, next is foggy. So foggy is a mist from what teacher, that is mist from missing. No, it's not. It is mist from the nature, okay? That is mist from too cold, okay? You can normally you can encounter this one in the mountain. So there is a mist, okay? So you cannot see some of the trees because if the temperature is too cold or they are too high, okay? So you see, okay? So it's almost covered up with a what? With a smoke or clouds, okay? So that is what the foggy is, okay? So right now we will learn this one class, and next time we will have our reading of the vocabulary or reading the vocabulary to practice for you for your reading. Okay, so I hope you learned something for today, class, and thank you so much, and goodbye.